Namaskar and hearty welcome to Leaders in Action series. Leaders in Action is nothing but doing one's part. We need to ask, what are we doing to help build a new and a better world? If each of us would do our part, the world would be better. Ordinary people really can do extraordinary things. A little man in a loin cloth named Mahatma Gandhi freed an entire nation. Leadership demands a disciplined life. Leadership is a grace under pressure and drives passion. Hurdles and difficulties are life's way to qualify us and our passion. Leaders in Action builds commitment and demonstrates the power of simplicity. Today, in Leaders in Action, we have a wonderful master, Rahul Siddhapura. He is a mastery coach, engineer by education, entrepreneur by passion, web designer turned life designer. It's a new terminology called life designer now. He's a self published author of three books: Meditation Lover, Spiritual Speaker, and Rahul Practices Minimalism. Let me have the pleasure of welcoming Rahul Siddhapura to Leaders in Action. Hearty welcome to you, Rahul ji, to this wonderful Leaders in Action program.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here, and it's my pleasure being here with you all.
Yeah, yeah. So a lot of things that we have heard about you. Mastery in life is very important, and we also would like to learn about the journey of your life. Of course, there are a lot of things people have done in their life, ordinary to extraordinary. How there are many people, ordinary people have done extraordinary life. So how
Yes.
does one? I think one need not be an extraordinary person to do many great things in life.
Mhm.
An
Mhm.
ordinary person can also do. It can be the Rosa Park from the USA. You can see the civil rights movement which was started.
Yes.
An ordinary person called Mahatma Gandhi. He did a great job for
Yes.
the nation. So there are a lot of instances, and there are a lot of ordinary human beings. If you look into COVID-19 times, and many people have become caregivers, and a lot of warriors who have come up. So we need to
Very
understand
true.
from you, how do you not settle for a smaller things? How we should not settle for a lower things and should
Mhm.
achieve the greater things in life. We need to understand your journey, Rahulji.
Yeah. So thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. So, myself Rahul Sitpura, and my journey started, personal development journey started in 2018. But before that, as born and brought up in Mumbai, I was born in a middle class family. I did my computer engineering, and then I worked for Zenith Infotech for a year and a half, and then I started my own web design agency in 2011. And then I was working with architects, interior designers, builders, and since then I have also started various ventures with didn't do that well, but it was a learning part of my life, and that's how life has been going. But in 2018, I have been through Vipassana retreat, so just spending 10 days with myself, the, I got many realizations. See what life is and how we need to work towards a bigger mission in life. So since I came back from them, I learned the meditation technique as well. But along with that, spending quality time with myself was the biggest takeaway of that retreat. So since then, every single morning, I kept the same momentum of waking up early, and I started learning through various courses and various books. And one course I did, and it completely transformed my life. So I have been living that lifestyle since last 2 years, and then I made it my mission. Okay, why not other people also live this same life? And by doing web design, I could have impacted life, but not as and I couldn't have solved the bigger problem that I saw. I saw the problem. People are distracted from focusing on their own life. You might have seen that people are busy with, all the time are spending on social media and news and every other thing that is taking their attention, as they are not aware about the uh, big companies they are behind their attention. So they are thinking that technology and social media is free, but it is not free. It is taking a lot of our most valuable asset, that is our time. So I saw people are continuously distracted. So being from the same industry of digital marketing, so I know how technology and social media companies are behind our attention, taking our attention. So and people are not focusing on their own life. So in that context, I saw that there are 12 different areas of life that we need to focus on, and every single day I started working on developing all that 12 areas, and then I came across the concept of mastery. Okay? There are 5 different stages of mastery that we need to work on. So the first stage is ignorance कि people are not aware कि उनको पता ही नहीं होता है कि how they can better their life, so they are ignorant about implementing or learning anything in their life. And second stage is a stage of knowing, where people know about the things but they are not implementing the things. So they are knowing many things, जैसे लोगों को बहुत पता होता है but it's only on their knowing level, they are not implementing it in their life. But we need to move the stage beyond the knowing stage, and that is doing. We need to start doing things. Even a small daily thing that we are doing impacts our overall life. So we need to go beyond knowing to doing and then being. So धीरे धीरे जैसे हम doing level पे हमारी जर्नी करते रहेंगे, एंड दैट इज द स्टेज विल बी इट विल बी इन आर बीइंग लेवल. जैसे हम जब गाड़ी चलाना सीखते हैं तो हमें कॉन्शियस होना पड़ता है, बट धीरे धीरे इनफ बार हम करते हैं तो वो बीइंग लेवल पे आ जाता है, इज पार्ट ऑफ आवर बीइंग. सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज. एंड the last stage is knowing, doing, being, and then we need to do a mastery. And mastery is a stage where we teach others as well what we have learned, and that is the whole idea about. So I made it my mission to inspire people to do the things that inspire others, so that together we can change the world and we can make this world a better place. कि हम छोटे छोटे ऐसे actions ले जिससे औरों को भी inspiration मिले, and they can make their life better as well. So that is what uh, I have been learning, and that was I made it my mission to help at least 1 million people to live a happy, balanced, and fulfilled life by well, mastering all 12 different dimensions of their life. So that is what I have found, and that is what my mission is here forward.
Wow. Wonderful, Rahulji, to know about this wonderful journey from a designer to a spiritual guru. Rather, you are becoming into a spiritual guru format. Though the journey that you have taken up is very good. And what you said regarding mission in life is very important. I think everyone should have a mission, a purpose in life is very, very important.
Yes, yes.
Because सब लोग तो जीने के लिए जी लेते हैं, लेकिन एक पर्पस, वो मिशन होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Mm.
So, what is the mission of your life, and
Yeah.
how does one set a mission?
So when I gone, decided learning about the mastery, so I came across the 6 pillars. So it was a methodology I learned from my mentor, and I have been implementing that every single day in everything I do in my life. So there are 6 pillars of mastery that we need to be aware about. So first is the belief. So we need to have belief in strong, empowering belief in everything we do, because belief drives our behavior and everything that we do. So we are doing it through our 95% subconscious mind. So all our beliefs are stored in our 95%, and we are not living a conscious life. We are living it on a autopilot from the programming that has been done through our teachers, our society, and that is how we are not conscious about what programming has done into our subconscious mind. So we need to have strong empowering beliefs about everything we do. The second thing is we need to have compelling vision. कि अगर लाइफ में विजन ही नहीं होगा तो हम कैसे किसी भी तरीके से, वी नीड टू हैव अ नॉर्थ स्टार कि उसको उसके तरफ हम हमारी लाइफ की जर्नी कंटिन्यूसली बढ़ाते रहे. सो वी नीड टू हैव कंपेलिंग विजन. बट सिर्फ विजन होने से कुछ नहीं होता है. वी नीड टू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्पस, कि वी नीड टू हैव पावरफुल पर्पस, कि what is the reason behind achieving that vision. क्योंकि अगर विजन नहीं होगा तो while going through this journey I made it my vision to live at least 100 years. So मैंने विजन तो बना लिया कि मुझे 100 years जीना है, एंड इफ आई वांट टू लिव मोर 70 years ऑन दिस प्लैनेट, तो मुझे बॉडी का कैसे केयर करना होगा. सो जस्ट बाय developing one empowering belief into my life कि my body is a temple, it is the most precious gift that is been given by the my creator. So I need to take good care of it to show respect to my creator. So that one single belief I installed in my subconscious mind, and it helped me lose 14 kg in just 60 days without hiring any nutrition dietitian. So I just started living a conscious life, and then I made it a vision to live 100 years. But सिर्फ vision करने से नहीं, so I made it my mission कि I want to help a million people in this lifetime. So it was my purpose. But वो vision हम एक साथ नहीं achieve कर सकते. So need to have inspiring goals. Goals are a part, smaller parts of our overall vision. So उसको मैंने छोटे छोटे parts में divide कर दिया, and that is what I am working towards. So the fourth pillar is the goals. We need to have inspiring goals, but for achieving that goals, we need to have strategy. So strategy is what will help. What we can do to move towards achieving our goals, and that was the fifth pillar. And our six pillars are daily rituals. So I'm very big believer of doing rituals. So rituals are the thing apart from habits. So habits होती है, but rituals are the thing that we do very consciously by putting our whole, जैसे हम spiritual rituals like we pray, we do puja and everything. Similarly हम जो भी छोटे छोटे rituals करते हैं, so I started helping people कि वो लोग क्या कर सकते हैं after waking up. So I started helping people with developing their morning rituals, because morning is a part जहाँ पे it depends our complete trajectory of our life. What we do in the first hour after waking up, it's very much important. So I started helping people because life के 12 areas से पहले you need to master your mind, body and soul. That are the foundation areas of our life. So that is how I helped. And so the six pillars were you need to have compelling, you need to have empowering beliefs, you need to have compelling vision, you need to have strong, powerful purpose. And also along with that, it is the first three pillars are just the mindset. कि आपका mindset strong होगा तो ही आप action ले पाओगे. So action से पहले you need to have strong mindset. So the later three pillars are for the action plan. कि what goals we need to have. So we need to have inspiring goals कि सुबह उठने के लिए आपको मजबूर करे, and you wake up with an excitement. जैसे हम कहीं घूमने जाते हैं तो एक excitement होता है, but डेली अगर हम सेम ही चीज करते हैं तो सुबह उठने का हमारे पास कोई एक्साइटिंग रीजन नहीं होता है, और वी आर नॉट लिविंग अ पर्पसफुल लाइफ. सो यू नीड टू इंस्पायरिंग गोल्स दैट मेक्स यू अप, एंड देन यू नीड टू हैव स्ट्रेटेजी. बिकॉज स्ट्रेटेजी आप देखोगे कि सबको पता होता है कि अगर मुझे हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस पे काम करना है तो व्हाट वी पुट इनटू आवर बॉडी एंड हाउ वी यूज आवर बॉडी, बट वो कर क्यों नहीं पाते? बिकॉज ऑफ द माइंडसेट. उनका माइंडसेट स्ट्रांग नहीं, कोई विजन नहीं होता है, कोई पर्पस नहीं होता है. तो इसीलिए and then strategy के बाद we need to daily choices. So what I always work on my 12 sacred choices कि 12 में छोटी छोटी चीजें क्या करता हूँ that helps me balance all 12 areas of my life. So our daily sacred choices बहुत important होती है. तो जो हम daily rituals करते हैं, so these are the six pillars. And since 2 years every single day I'm living a conscious life, and that has helped me make all dimensions of my life. And about the mastery, what we do as a community is कि repetition is the mother of mastery. कि कोई भी चीज एक बार करने से हम mastery नहीं अचीव. And mastery is a journey, it's not a destination. कि हमें continuously चीजों को repeatedly करते जाना है. Then is the time कि जैसे we have learned कि हैबिट्स बिल्ड होने को कोई हैबिट को 21 डेज लगते हैं, 30 डेज, और किसी को 66 डेज लगते हैं. एंड मास्टर इज जस्ट अ जर्नी. वी नीड टू डू थिंग्स रिपीटेडली, बिकॉज आफ्टर 7 years ऑफ एज कोई भी चीज अगर आपको आपके सबकॉन्शियस को इम्प्रेस करनी है तो यू कैन आइदर डू इट बाय hypnosis or other modalities, or other thing is you need to do things repeatedly, because that is how our brain works. So since then I have been living this lifestyle, and I'm on a mission ki how I can help a million people to live life consciously and with clarity. कि along with consciousness they need to have clarity कि exactly उनको क्या करना है. because अगर clarity नहीं होगा तो confusion होगा कि क्या करना है, और अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि दूसरे दिन क्या करना है, so you won't be waking up with that excitement and energy. So that is all about कि you need to focus on your consciousness, being living a conscious life and a clarity होनी चाहिए हमारी लाइफ में.
Thank you so much, Rahulji, that you have given us the insight into the major 6 pillars in life and a mission plan and your mission to give this goodness that you have learned to 1 million people. Again, ये भी बहुत बड़ा mission है that you are trying to energize, you're trying to reach out to a large number of people, which is again one of the best mission that you have taken up. जो आपने सीखी है वो औरों को देना है. अगर आप किसी चीज को मास्टरी कर लिए हैं और अपनी जिंदगी में सक्सेसफुल हो गए हैं and you want to give this mastery to many people. So ये 1 million तक का अप्रोच रोड कैसे रहेगा? How are you going to approach this 1 million mission?
So I have made it a strategy kind of thing how I can do. So very first thing is I have published my book. So a book is a way by which we can reach many people. So it was one of the way, but just book से कुछ नहीं होता because there are many books, but people don't get transformation from reading. They might get some insights and they can implement few things, but for a transformation you need to have influence and impact. And for that I have started taking morning sessions wherein I help people to wake up. So I take a 5 days master class wherein every single day I help people to wake up and I help them with the what rituals they can do for their mind, body, and soul. And once they get habit of waking up early, because to do anything, because our day is filled with full of distractions from media, social media, and other technology that we are using. So we can't get enough time to work on our lives. And as I said, I want to help people to design their own life. I want people to be on the driver's seat of their life, and they need to take complete charge of their life because they are the creator of their life. So that is what I believe. And so, but क्योंकि पूरे दिन में हमें टाइम नहीं मिलता है, so morning is a time wherein you can spend time with yourself, a quality time, because there is no one to disturb you. कोई भी आपको disturb नहीं, your family must be sleeping, there's nobody to call you and disturb you. So you can have a peaceful and a quality time with yourself, and you can do various rituals. I help people to do various meditations. I help them move their body, because movement, focusing on body, because even though I learned Vipassana, but meditation is a one part, but you need to know how to use your mind, because the mind we have given is the most wonderful gift, and we need to make maximum out of that gift we have given. So you need to know how to stimulate your mind, energize your body, and nurture your soul. So I help them with do that, and when they are tuned to it, then I help them get all 6 pillars of every 12 areas of their life. For like say for their spiritual life, we help them create empowering belief, define compelling vision. So all the 6 pillars we have discussed, we help them do it for all 12 areas, so that they get ultimate clarity of their विजन एंड पर्पस. क्योंकि अगर हम देखेंगे कि अगर हम किसी को भी पूछेंगे कि आपका विजन और पर्पस, तो वही क्लैरिटी नहीं होता है. बट व्हाट आई हेल्प पीपल इज की टू गो डीप, एंड हर एक एरिया के लिए उनके पास उनके विजन, पर्पस और गोल्स होने चाहिए. सो दैट इज हाउ, इतने क्लैरिटी तक हम जब पहुंच पाएंगे, तो ओनली देन वी कैन लिव अ कॉन्शियस एंड अ लाइफ ऑफ क्लैरिटी. सो दैट इज व्हाट. सो book is one part. I have taken live session because and media is a thing. I don't being into media, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है to reach many people. Even we are you might be seeing this video on YouTube, but people are not aware about how to make use of technology, because technology का इन्वेंशन हुआ था हमारी लाइफ सिंपल करने के लिए और हमारा टाइम बचाने के लिए. बट वो जो टाइम बचता है, उससे भी ज्यादा टाइम हम लोग टेक्नोलॉजी, यूट्यूब और सोशल मीडिया में स्पेंड कर देते हैं. औरों की लाइफ के बारे में उनकी स्टोरीज देखते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर अटेंशन सीकिंग इंजीनियर. मतलब अटेंशन इंजीनियर्स होते हैं जो दिन रात काम करते हैं कि कैसे आपके आई बॉल्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा उनके प्लेटफॉर्म पे हो. बट वो हमें पता नहीं होता, एंड वी गेट एडिक्टेड टू दिस, सीइंग टू अदर पीपल्स, इतने सारे ग्रुप्स और इतना सारा हमारे डिस्ट्रैक्शन है हमारी लाइफ में. सो आई हेल्प पीपल बाय 2 ways. कि फर्स्ट तो आप मॉर्निंग में उठ के यू स्पेंड 2 hours by designing your life, or either during the day get कि how you can free yourself from distraction, how to use technology wisely, because technology is very good कि जैसे even we are connecting with each other through this platform, this wonderful platform, but कैसे उसको यूज करना है, and people are binge watching continuously एक वीडियो के बाद. even if you are seeing this video on YouTube or any other platform, आप देखोगे कि उसने आपको और फीड्स में ऐसा परोसा होगा जो आप कंटिन्यूसली देखने के लिए, और भले आप ये देखने आए थे, बट यू विल स्पेंड मोर 30 to 40 minutes ऑफ योर टाइम जस्ट फॉर दैट. सो यू नीड टू बी कॉन्शियस, you need to be aware, because the more aware you are, so more conscious decision you can take, and how you take your decision, that is your how you will get your result. So you need to be aware about whatever small conscious choices you are taking. So वो तभी होगा जब we have got clarity about what we need to and what we want to achieve and what is our vision and mission of our life. So
क्या बात है,
that is all.
क्लैरिटी होना जरूरी है, विजन होना
And
जरूरी है,
consciousness. Yes.
कॉन्शियसनेस. एंड जो कंपेलिंग मिशन जो आपने बात की है कि हाँ, अगर पिकनिक में जाना है तो हम 4 बजे उठ जाते हैं,
हाँ.
लेकिन हमें पढ़ाई करना है तो शायद ही उठ पाते हैं, या तो कुछ करना है तो वो कंपेलिंग मिशन क्या होता है? हाउ डज वन डेवलप
कंपेलिंग विजन, एक कंपेलिंग विजन कि समथिंग बिगर देन योरसेल्फ, कि अगर मुझे सिर्फ मेरी लाइफ बेटर करनी है तो ठीक है, बट अगर मेरे विजन में और लोग भी इन्वॉल्व है तो इट विल गिव मीन्स योर विजन हैज टू बी समथिंग बिगर देन योरसेल्फ. सो like say one of my vision is see how I want to see a world where people live a life with consciousness and clarity. जैसे I take, so मेरा mission है, but I want to see a world कि people are using technology wisely. So what can I do? And my purpose behind doing that is so that they can be on the driver's seat. They can take charge of their life and not let other people tell them what they need to do, and they not don't get distracted by the noise out there. So you need to, so वैसे you need to think beyond yourself, and that is how you can contribute to others' lives as well. So the vision has to be bigger than yourself. So,
think big, aim high. कलाम साहब बोलते थे ना, always
Yes,
think big, and you will be where you want to be. Had we had not thought that we will fly, aeroplanes would not have come. एक दिन एरोप्लेन भी आ गया तो सोच के ऊपर
everything, yes, everything, even the chair we are sitting, the technology we are using, even the camera, everything was a vision of some personality कि ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. So they looked into the problem कि ये problem है, and then they had a vision. So similarly, I saw a problem कि people are distracted in their life, and I am continuously working कि how I can help them get out of their distraction and take charge of their life and live an extraordinary life. So that is what I'm working towards.
So Rahul ji, you have talked about a lot of mission plan, vision plan in life, which is very, very important. And vision and compelling vision, which you said ना कि हमें सवेरे उठने के लिए कोई एक अच्छा सा विजन होना चाहिए, हमें मास्टरी होनी चाहिए. And particularly you talk about mastery, and you have written 3 important books. So to become a leader, I think we need to master on many things. ये mastery होती क्या है, and what are the 3 books which you have authored?
Yeah, so I'll share about that. So what I see, as I said, I saw people problem कि people are facing distraction from the digital and social media and news and everything. So I thought कि कैसे इसको solve किया जाए. So I wrote my first book. I published my first book was Life Mastery Pledge. So it's about mastering. It's a commitment to bring clarity and consciousness to master all 12 different areas of your life, because एक भी एरिया हमारे लाइफ की अगर डिस्टर्ब हो तो वो बाकी 11 एरियाज को भी डिस्टर्ब करती है. सो यू नीड टू हैव अ बैलेंस्ड लाइफ. सो यू नीड टू every day work, you need to take a small step in every area of your life that can help you live a balanced and fulfilled life. So my first book was all about taking pledge. So I'm very I have a pledge is a value, because on that I have aligned all my books on. So you need to take pledge. So I have my pledges that I take every single day for my life. So for every 12 areas of my life, I take a pledge, and recently I've started taking pledge in front of sun every day. So मेरा एक
Oh,
सन gazing भी हो जाता है वो रिचुअल के साथ. I make a commitment to sun कि I'll live my life consciously throughout the day. So that is how I have been doing. So my first book was all about making a commitment to master 12 areas. But for doing that, first you need to have time. And हमारे दिन भर के busy schedule में we don't have enough time to focus
right.
on that, because it takes इट्स अ थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, और वो लोगों को करना नहीं है. उनको सब इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन वाली एक्टिविटीज ज्यादा पसंद है. लाइक जब भी उनके पास थोड़ा भी टाइम होता है, आपने देखा होगा कि कहीं वेटिंग एरिया या जब भी थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है, लोग सीधा अपना फोन निकाल के रैंडमली फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप कुछ ना कुछ, बिकॉज इतनी सारी चीजें कभी खत्म, फीड कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाली, एक के बाद एक स्टोरीज भी कभी खत्म नहीं होनी. तो उस तरीके से वो टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई गई है. तो हमें बस उसके बारे में कॉन्शियस होना है, हमें टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज करना है, बट ऐसे नहीं कि हम एडिक्टेड हो जाए. बिकॉज अगर ड्यू टू अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑन रिसर्च कि पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग 2 to 3 hours ऑफ देयर टाइम ऑन फोन, और वही टाइम अगर वो लोग खुद की लाइफ डिजाइन करने में लगा है, तो अलग ही लाइफ का इम्पैक्ट, इट विल कम्प्लीटली चेंज द ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ देयर लाइफ. सो the first book was all about the 12 areas, but second book was all about ki how you can use your morning, ki how you can create your empowering morning ritual every single day, because and that is the time wherein you can energize your body, you can nurture your spirit, and you can stimulate your mind. जो mind हमें even many scientists haven't used more than 10% of their mind, and that is how. But we have unlimited potential, we have infinite potential inside us. Just we need to take time, and because what we don't use we lose. अगर हम उसको use नहीं करेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं हम उसको lose कर देंगे. So we need to make maximum use of that, so we can do various rituals. So my second book is all about creating your empowering morning rituals, and my third book is all about कि अगर सुबह उठना if you don't like, and even if then you want to master your life. So the third book is all about getting yourself free from distraction. So freedom from distraction was the theme of that book, ki how you can save your time, 1 to 2 hours of your time by spending. So there are various strategies I have shared in that book where you can do. Some of the strategies like blocking all your notifications. So even you do just one of that you take one action of blocking all your. I have blocked all my notification, even of WhatsApp, Facebook, shopping apps, everything, because I want to be the master of my phone. कि ऐसे नहीं कि एक notification बजा and I immediately. So I was like that. Continuously जैसे notification बजता था, I take my phone and I just spend 20 to 30 minutes. कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता था कि हमने क्या करने के लिए फोन लिया होता है और हम क्या करने लग जाते हैं. So that is how we are living, and this is how we are getting addicted to this technology. So third book is all about getting yourself freedom of your time, and that time you can use wisely by designing your life and living a conscious and life of clarity. So that these are my 3 books, and you can go to Amazon and just type Rahul Sitpura. You will get all the 3 books, or even you can go on my website rahulsitpura.com, and you can find all the details about my books and courses that I have designed.
Wonderful. All those leaders and upcoming leaders who are waiting, and all those who wish to make their life better and who wish to be a master of themselves, that which is very important.
Yes,
कहते हैं ना, मुझे
yes.
किसी की गुलाम नहीं और अपनी सोच की गुलाम. कभी हम गुस्से के गुलाम हो जाते हैं, कभी हम सोशल मीडिया के गुलाम हो जाते हैं. तो we should master over all these things. We should come about all those things
Yes,
and see that yes, we can lead a wonderful life and never settle down for
absolutely.
smaller things. Do a mastery
Yes,
of things
yes,
so
yes,
that you can lead a wonderful life.
yes.
The leaders of high order these days that we have seen, it can be from Sir Ratan Tata to Narayana Murthy
Yes.
to who's of who of this country, can be Mahindras. So ये सब कैसे मास्टरी करते हैं और कैसे वो लाइफ को सक्सेस पाते हैं,
So,
क्योंकि काफी लोग उनको
uh,
देखते हैं, उनके जैसे बनना
yeah,
चाहते हैं.
yeah. The first thing they have in common is they have empowering morning rituals. कि आप जो भी देखोगे during my research, start from RPM, Narendra Modi ji to all the top achievers, like if we see Bollywood to Akshay Kumar, even sports, जो भी टॉप परफॉर्मर टॉप अचीवर्स होते हैं, उनके एम्पावरिंग मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स होते हैं। वो सुबह उठ के कुछ ऐसी चीजें करते हैं जो उनको हेल्प करते हैं और लोगों से आगे बढ़ने के लिए, एंड दैट इज हाउ दे बिकम अ रोल मॉडल टू अदर्स, एंड that is what master stage is all about, कि you do certain things that inspire others so that they can live a happy life. So that is how we need to. So that's a wonderful triangle I have learned. So first is learn, do, and teach. So first we need to
Okay.
learn something, and then we start doing, and then we teach others. So the more we teach others, the more better we get at doing it. So that is how. So one of the things how we can achieve mastery is by teaching others. So once we start teaching others, so that's also intention
What
behind
a better
helping
thing.
others. Yeah, our life also gets better by doing it, and that is how we all as a community can do together and make
Correct.
this world a better place than we have received it. That is
Mastery over a
my
subject, mastery over a subject, mastery over an
yes.
art. For example, it can be a
Hmm.
music, it can be a martial art,
Yes.
it can be anything for that matter. जितनी साधना हम करते हैं, जितनी प्रैक्टिस हम करते हैं, उतने बेहतर
Yes.
हम बनते हैं. And they
Yes.
you become better and better. So why not to make a life better also, you master over many things which are important. And I'm
Yes.
sure
Yes.
your books are going to be a wonderful treat or wonderful life learning lessons for many who are going to read and make their life better. वो 1 मिलियन में हम भी आना चाहेंगे, हम सबको
Yes.
ले
Yes.
जाना चाहेंगे और हमारे
Yes.
काफी
Yes.
बाल गुरुकुल्स के बच्चे हैं, we who are all waiting to become
Absolutely.
important
Hmm.
people, क्योंकि never settle for small things and from ordinary to extraordinary. That's what we
Extraordinary. Yeah. So yeah,
that's what
yeah.
we are
So never
approaching
settle
towards.
for ordinary. We need to commit it to the mastery. So that is
Correct,
how
correct. Yeah.
life
First of
works.
all, we also would like to acknowledge here on this Leaders in Action show that you have been a great social supporter for many causes, and recently you have come forward and supported for the Dignity Project of Indian Development
Mm.
Foundation, for which we wish to thank you for supporting girls for
All my pleasure.
their health and education. Thank you for that.
It's just a
Uh,
starting point. So I will be on constant. I will be doing, and as a community, I am planning to have a vision for our community. Okay, we need to contribute at least 10 lakh to 20 lakhs per month as a contribution, because giving back is one of my biggest, and also in our 12 areas. So the uh, last area is all about contribution. So we need to have vision, purpose, and goals for contribution as well. So that is the 12th area of your life. So after you master all areas, so contribution is the stage where you give back to the society what you have received from the society. So
Great.
even I have my beliefs, vision, and purpose and goals, strategy and rituals, even daily rituals for contribution as well. So
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
that is
For others who are seeing, they may be thinking that ritual as a different thing of puja and all. For you, ritual is an act by which you
small,
better
small,
your
yeah,
small act. जो भी
small
कुछ
daily
होना चाहिए.
choices that we, small daily choices that we take. So
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
small conscious choice, we can say it like that. Key rituals are a small conscious choice that we make, because currently I'm on a vegan diet, so I 80% of my food is only plant-based fruits and raw fruits and vegetables. So that is how I have taken a course where it's a 90 days journey where I'll be completely detoxifying my body. So अगर that is how वो कभी हो पाया जब longevity was one of my values कि I want to live at least 100 years. अगर वो नहीं होता तो I wouldn't have been taking such care of my body. And एक वो belief है कि it's a most precious gift. और कभी कभी होता क्या है, जो चीजें हमें फ्री में मिलती है उसका हम रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते, जैसे हमारा माइंड, हमारी बॉडी. तो जो फ्री में मिलता है, इसीलिए देयर हैज टू बी सम काइंड ऑफ वैल्यू बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग. और वही जो चीज हम पैसे से खरीदते हैं उसको इतनी ज्यादा वैल्यू देते हैं, जबकि उसकी वैल्यू इतनी नहीं होती है. हमारी लाइफ की इतनी वैल्यू है, बट हम वी आर नॉट लिविंग इट अप टू द पॉइंट. सो दैट इज माय मैसेज कि डोंट सेटल फॉर ऑर्डिनरी, be committed to mastery and take 100% charge of your life and turn your life into masterpiece.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much. Take 100% charge of your life, which is very, very. Be
Yes,
responsible of your life and see that you can do
100%.
wonderful things. Thank you so much, Rahul ji, for being
Okay.
part of this Leaders in Action program, where leaders are created and leaders share their experience and knowledge how to excel in life. And as you
Yes.
said, that learn, do, and teach. And the
Yes.
more you teach, The more you do, and the more you do, the more you learn. Again, it is both the sides. It travels both the sides.
Yes, yes,
I
yes.
think we
That's
need to
a
do.
wonderful triangle.
Correct, correct. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful journey of your mission 1 million, where you are going to touch upon this million lives. And
Thank you, thank
go.
you.
You have set the goal of 100 years, which is very important, and we wish you a long life, the longevity,
And
full of happiness and success ahead.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for your blessings. So we'll be constantly in touch, and we'll do many things to make this world a better place together. So looking forward
Thank
to
you.
this wonderful journey together.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Viewers, you're watching this wonderful Leaders in Action program, which we started, where leaders come from different sectors and share their journey. And here, Rahul ji has shared his wonderful journey of how to master one's life, which is very, very important. Sometimes we are becoming slaves or many such things, maybe of a wrong thoughts, a pessimistic thought, or a thought which doesn't take it forward at all. So, how do you envision a master plan? How do you have a mega goal set for your life and see that you lead a wonderful life ahead? Give your 100% and you see that you can reach to that level. So Rahul ji has said that never settle for smaller things and master your life. I'm sure you would have liked this Leaders in Action session. Stay tuned to this goodness channel, IDFG, and let us all together share good things all around. Have a wonderful time. Life is beautiful. Let's make it awesome. Jai Hind.